Hi everyone, Bill Nye here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of pharmaceutical science. It's all about medicines, those magical pills, syrups and injections that help us feel better when we're sick. Ever wondered how medicines are made? Pharmaceutical science holds the answers. It's a blend of biology, chemistry and medicine, all working together to create safe and effective drugs. From the common cold to serious diseases, medicines play a vital role in keeping us healthy. Pharmaceutical science makes sure these medicines are safe and work the way they should. So buckle up. We're about to uncover the secrets behind those life-saving drugs. Let's break down the science behind medicines into four main areas, each crucial in its own right. First, pharmacology. This is like detective work. Pharmacologists study how drugs interact with our bodies, figuring out what happens when we take a medicine. They investigate the effects, both good and bad, and how these drugs can be used to treat various conditions. Second, pharmaceutics. Think of this as the engineering side of medicines. Pharmaceutics is all about turning those powerful drug molecules into pills, capsules, or injections that we can actually use. This involves ensuring the drug is delivered effectively and safely to the right part of the body. Third, medicinal chemistry. It's all about creating new medicines. Medicinal chemists use their chemistry skills to design and synthesize new drug molecules to fight diseases. They work on improving existing drugs and discovering new ones to tackle health challenges. And finally, pharmacokinetics. This area focuses on how our bodies process drugs. It studies how a drug enters our system, gets absorbed, breaks down, and finally leaves our body. Understanding this helps in determining the right dosage and frequency for maximum effectiveness and safety. Developing a new medicine is a long and complex process, often taking years of dedicated research and collaboration. It's like a journey with many steps, each crucial to the final outcome. First, discovery. Scientists start by identifying a target for the drug, which is often a specific protein or gene involved in a disease. This could be a specific protein involved in a disease or a genetic mutation that needs to be corrected. Then they search for molecules that can interact with this target using advanced techniques and technologies to find the best candidates. Second, preclinical testing. Before testing on humans, new drugs are tested on cells and animals to check their safety and effectiveness, ensuring they do not cause harm. Third, clinical trials. If a drug passes preclinical testing, it moves on to clinical trials where it's tested on human volunteers in 3 phases to ensure its safety, efficacy, and optimal dosage. Fourth, approval. If a drug successfully passes all clinical trial phases, it's submitted to regulatory authorities like the FDA for review and approval, a process that involves rigorous scrutiny. And finally, manufacturing. Once approved, the drug can finally be manufactured on a large scale and made available to patients, bringing hope and relief to those in need. Section 4. The impact saving lives, one pill at a time. Pharmaceutical science has revolutionized healthcare and significantly improved our lives. Think about it. Vaccines. These tiny vials of hope have eradicated diseases that once caused widespread fear and suffering. These incredible inventions have saved millions of lives by preventing deadly diseases like polio and measles. Antibiotics. These powerful drugs fight bacterial infections, which used to be a major cause of death. Before antibiotics, even a minor cut could lead to a fatal infection. Now they are a cornerstone of modern medicine, pain relievers. From headaches to chronic pain, these medicines make life more bearable for countless people. They provide relief and improve the quality of life for those suffering from various ailments. These are just a few examples of how pharmaceutical science has made a world of difference in our lives. The development of new drugs continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's a field that's constantly evolving, with scientists working tirelessly to develop new and better treatments for diseases. Their dedication and innovation are paving the way for a healthier future for all of us. Section 5. Want to know more? Keep exploring. Pharmaceutical science is a vast and fascinating field with a huge impact on our lives. Today, we've only scratched the surface. If you're intrigued by the world of medicines and want to learn more, don't stop here. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries to quench your thirst for knowledge. Remember, curiosity is the key to unlocking new discoveries. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next great pharmaceutical scientist. Stay curious. Bill Nye.